Welcome to our channel. Movie Camera today, we're diving into the world of fitness and health with the best heart rate monitors of 2025. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast, a runner, or just starting your wellness journey, finding the right heart rate monitor is key to tracking your progress and optimizing your workouts. From sleek smartwatches to reliable chest straps, we've tested and reviewed the top options to help you make the best choice. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on all things health and fitness. Number 1. Liveco Cardiomobile. From the moment we connected the Liveco Cardiomobile One Lean Personal EKG monitor to the Cardia app, we loved its combination of comfort, ease of use, and accuracy. By placing 2 fingers on the sensors, we were able to detect medical-grade EKGs/ECGs, electrical signals from the heart indicating various heart conditions, in 30 seconds, with metrics including atrial fibrillation, bradycardia, tachycardia, and normal sinus rhythm. The monitor is small enough to keep in your pocket for use immediately pre- and post-workout, and the EKG history function allows you to track metrics over time and export data to your health apps or general practitioners. The color-coded readings alert you to abnormalities like signs of atrial fibrillation and arrhythmia, which means with each 30-second check, you're not just tracking HR, but also proactively monitoring for serious health conditions. Number 2. Polar H10 Heart. The Polar H10 heart rate sensor is a reliable and versatile fitness accessory designed to monitor your heart rate accurately during workouts and daily activities. It is compatible with a wide range of fitness apps and devices, including Polar Beat, Polar Flow, and third-party apps like Strava, Nike Run Club, and MyFitnessPal. The H10 features Bluetooth and ANT+ connectivity, allowing it to pair with smartphones, gym equipment, and GPS watches seamlessly. This lightweight and comfortable sensor uses a soft, adjustable textile strap to ensure a secure fit during intense workouts. It is powered by a single CR 2025 battery, offering up to 400 hours of continuous use. The H10 is water-resistant, making it suitable for swimming and other water-based activities. Its advanced technology provides real-time heart rate data, helping you optimize your training intensity and track your progress effectively. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned athlete, the Polar H10 is an excellent tool for achieving your fitness goals. Number 3. Wahoo Fitness Ticker. Definitely one for the cyclists. The combination of breathable fabric and adjustable Velcro make the Wahoo Ticker Fit heart rate armband a comfortable choice for people who don't like the restriction of chest straps. With the super simple ANT+ connectivity, you can link with apps like Strava and measure average HR, real-time HR, and max HR data, alongside other metrics like distance and power. A paid subscription allows you to unlock a heap of additional features and metrics. During our testing, we found the history function helpful for honing in on a specific part of a workout, like hill climbs. The GPS tracking was also useful for reviewing HR variations throughout each section of a run or ride. Number 4. Polar H10 Heart. The Polar H10 heart rate sensor was the top-performing chest strap monitor we tried. Throughout testing, we found the real-time ECG/EKG monitoring accurate, and we loved that the ANT+ connectivity options allowed us to record and track our HR via the free Polar app. You can also broadcast to additional apps, devices, and gym equipment. The firm buckle, soft textile straps, and slip-preventing silicone dots hold the unit in place with zero discomfort, and the 400-hour battery life means there's little chance of mid-workout shutdown. This is a no-fuss HR monitor with no additional bells or whistles, but in terms of accuracy, ease of use, and comfort, it was one of our favorites. Number 5. Kuso Heart Rate Monitor. After an initial charge of 1.5 hours and a little fiddling with the chest strap, the Kuso RealZone H9Z rechargeable chest heart rate monitor was comfortable to wear during a variety of workouts. The Kuso Ride app is geared towards cycling, so we only recommend it if bike workouts are your thing. Once we shifted to the HearTool app, we were able to track heart rate variability, HRV data over time. The simple chest strap design connects with a hook that holds the silicone sensor in place, barring some slight movement during cardio-intense workouts. The simple 5-color LED notification system gives real-time HR zone tracking: red for intense, green for moderate, and blue for low-intensity workouts. Beyond this color code, you can't access information during exercise. All in all, this monitor lacks some of the detailed real-time tracking and advanced features of more expensive options, but the affordable price tag makes it an effective budget choice for measuring HR before and after exercise.